wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best distillation kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Cherish XT Home Glassware arrives with its own oil and wick heating element, which is nice if you don't have a Bunsen burner or a hot plate at your disposal, but it can be a little difficult to manage the amount of heat you're applying. It's made of corrosion-resistant materials and comes with a cleaning brush. However, it's not that easy to assemble. At number 9, while there isn't anything particularly flashy about the Ohliss stainless steel home brewing, it's still liable to get the job done without much fuss. Its welds are stainless steel to prevent contamination from dangerous metals. It's available in 5 and 8 gallon sizes with an independent airway for fast results, but the bottom burns too easily. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the WMN Truly Step Essential Oil Apparatus has an overflow spout in its collection area, which allows you to place a receptacle under it and not have to worry about attending to it too often. What collects there can also be used as a nice scented water. It's equipped with a coiled condenser, however there's no pump for the cooling jacket, and note that the included hot plate needs 220 volts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for distillation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the North Georgia Steel Company 5 gallon makes a great gift for anyone you know with an interest in making their own moonshine in the traditional way, without having to resort to using a bathtub. Its craftsmanship is exceptional. The bottom seams are double thick, and it comes from a business that's owned and run by veterans, but the walls seem a little too thin. Moving up our list to number 6. In addition to metal thermometers that read in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, the WMN Truly Step Home Thumper comes with a temperature-sensitive sticker you can place on the outside of the pot. It lets you get an idea of how hot everything is with a quick glance. It's made from top-grade red copper with argon welded joints. However, the lid doesn't quite sit level. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Wang Laboratory Glassware Short Path comes with an adjustable stage to support the triple cow attachment. Its mantle makes it a cinch to set your experiments to exactly the right temperature, greatly reducing the risk of error. It's equipped with ground 2040 joints and a magnetic stirring mechanism, but it's a bit small for professional work. At number 4, if you're seriously producing distilled goods for sale instead of just personal use, you're going to want the kind of versatility and quality control that you get with the USA Lab Equipment 5000 milliliter Short Path. It's particularly liked by the cannabis community. It includes an effective cold trap, and it's easy to set specific temperatures. However, it is expensive for hobbyists. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. To ensure that the pieces you get with the Layboy HMK 22 glass steam never leak, each joint undergoes an additional round of hand grinding. It's the perfect size for creating very small amounts of essential oil, or just for learning how the process works. It comes with sturdy section clips and a round bottom primary flask. It offers several possible configurations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for distillation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, anyone looking for something extraordinarily simple that can provide students of chemistry or physics with a few useful and educational experiments will appreciate the design and the low price of the Dinglab Glassware apparatus. It's very easy to put together and made from high-quality borosilicate glass. It includes rubber hosing. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the VIVO 7.9 gallon stainless steel is ideal for those looking to make large quantities of wine or similar alcoholic products. It's made of materials that can naturally resist microbes capable of spoiling your mix or posing a danger to those who drink it. It's equipped with 3 thermometers, a convenient emptying valve, and reliably tight connections. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for distillation kits, or simply click beneath this video.